as Pakistani cricket is concerned, Bar Azam, he would have been my favorite batsman to watch because I would have retired long before he started his career. But there's something special about Pakistan, and going to Pakistan, I enjoyed very much. The Pakistani people, I love a lot. I have no problems going to Pakistan whenever time it was necessary going there. And if I get a chance again, I would go to Pakistan. But I've always enjoyed Pakistan when I was umpiring on the panel. And I don't know.
You have friends there?
Well, I have a brother. I have a brother. Alindar is my umpiring brother.
Very good.
And when I went there first, he was working in one of these sports shops, Zaidi. And just after, he became an umpire, and he rose to the top of the ICC panel, where he did 3 World Cup finals in a row. We were pretty close then, and I wish him all the best. I don't think he's so much involved in umpiring anymore because he resigned
Yeah.
some time ago.
So who is your favorite Pakistani cricketer in the past and right now?
I didn't really have many favorites because there were so many persons who were good people. I would tell you that Akram Wasim would have been the best swing bowler that I umpired. But there were so many other persons who were,
Fast bowler?
well, Akram and his partner,
Wakar?
Wakar, and to see the Rawalpindi Express running in, it was a joy to watch him bowl and to be the umpire. I remember him bowling, I think it was against the New Zealanders, full pitch in the stumps. The bat couldn't come down fast enough.
Yeah.
But all in all, I enjoyed going to Pakistan. I enjoyed Pakistani cricket and the people of Pakistan most of all.
And these days in Pakistani cricket team, do you think who is the best batsman and bowler?
No, I don't know enough about the team at the moment. Babar, is it Azam? I thought maybe a couple of years ago I had rated him as the best all-round batsman because playing T20 cricket, he was playing just as if Test cricket, driving through the line, playing proper cricket, and that is what I enjoyed about him.
Okay. So here you came in Canada for what?
I'm in Canada here for the over 60 World Cup. And so far, I've done not just one game, but it's a pleasure because I did Pakistan. And I saw spin bowling of class, classical spin bowling. A leg spinner who had the batsman or the batsman in tangles, playing the wrong line, getting the ball to turn the other way without them understanding. And I really enjoyed the game I did it. And I hope that I'll have the Pakistanis another time.
Thank you very much.